In the farthest corner of the world, there lies a land of unparalleled beauty, a land that defies all norms, a land we know as New Zealand. Venture into this realm where nature's grandeur is displayed in its fullest splendor. Picture emerald hills that roll into the horizon, merging with vivid skies hovering above towering peaks that command awe and respect. This is New Zealand, a land that captivates every traveler with its endless wonders. It's an ethereal place where lush pastures meet cerulean coasts, where primeval forests echo untold tales, where serpentine rivers carve through the scenery, painting a canvas of incredible beauty. However, it's not merely the terrain that bestows New Zealand with its allure. It's the inhabitants. The Kiwis, as they affectionately call themselves, are an embodiment of warmth. They radiate an aura of hospitality as revitalizing as the nation's fresh air, as if mirroring their environment's vibrancy and their personas. They serve as the custodians of this mesmerizing land, safeguarding its rich culture and unique biodiversity. Speaking of unique, have you ever seen a kiwi? Not the fruit, but the enigmatic, flightless bird that has gained iconic status in the nation. Or perhaps the kakapo might catch your fancy, another of the country's endemic species, a flightless parrot that's as spellbinding as it is rare. These creatures, along with a myriad of others, find sanctuary in this magical land, adding to its charm and mystique. However, for many, New Zealand is more than just a geographic entity. It's Middle-earth, the fictional universe that served as the backdrop for J.R.R. Tolkien's legendary Lord of the Rings trilogy. This is the land where the epic tales of hobbits, elves, and men were immortalized in the annals of film history. Here, amid stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems, the tales of Middle-earth were given life. The enchanting vistas of New Zealand became the Shire, Rivendell and Mordor, forever fusing the magic of the land with the Middle-earth. And it is here, in this enchanting realm, where the journey of Middle-earth was brought to life. Our first stop is the peaceful and charming Hobbiton, the heart of the Shire. This idyllic haven, painted in shades of emerald green, is a sight to behold. The rolling hillocks dance under the wind's command, creating a tableau of serene beauty. Hidden amongst these are the unique hobbit holes, their round doors symbolizing warmth and welcome. These are not merely homes, but reflect the hobbits' affinity for simplicity and comfort. In the heart of this idyllic setting stands the party tree, a mighty symbol of the hobbits' jovial nature. Its robust branches have been privy to countless festivities, epitomizing the hobbits' exuberant spirit. The Shire, with its verdant landscape and homey allure, encapsulates the essence of the hobbit existence, an existence marked by simplicity, contentment, and sheer joy. As we absorb the last of the Shire's captivating charm, we prepare ourselves to explore the unknown. Leaving the Shire behind, we venture into the wild. Welcome to the fiery heart of Middle-earth Mount Doom, situated in the enchanting Tongariro National Park. This awe-inspiring location is a captivating spectacle where the distinct elements of earth, fire, and stone converge in a grand display of Mother Nature's power. The park is home to a striking active volcanic landscape, a living, breathing testament to the continuous and dynamic evolution of our planet. The ground here pulsates with life and transformation, ceaselessly reshaping and renewing itself in an enthralling dance of creation and destruction. The site is mesmerizing, a tangible representation of the raw power of nature that can't help but leave visitors breathless in its wake. The harsh yet beautiful wilderness of this region is striking, providing a sharp contrast to the idyllic emerald fields of the Shire. It symbolizes the perilous odyssey which the Fellowship had to embark on, a journey fraught with danger and uncertainty, but one that ultimately led to growth and transformation. The imposing mountain ranges, the ominous sulfurous vents, the stark lava fields, every feature of this land contributes to painting a vivid picture of a terrain as breathtakingly stunning as it is treacherously dangerous. This was the stage where the Fellowship confronted their most formidable obstacles. The formidable landscape, the capricious climate, and the constant looming threat of an erupting volcano. These factors merged to create a journey that was as exhilarating as it was painstaking. Amidst the looming danger and unpredictability, there lies a prevailing sense of awe and wonder. The sheer magnitude of the landscape, the unrefined strength of the natural world, it all serves as a poignant reminder of our relatively short existence in the grandeur of the universe. It's an experience that humbles visitors, lingering in their minds long after they depart from this place. From the fiery heart, we move to a more serene location. Next, we find ourselves amidst the haunting beauty of the Dead Marshes and Fangorn Forest in Fiordland National Park. This unexplored corner of New Zealand, concealed in the farthest reaches of the globe, is a place of enchantment and spectral elegance. It holds an essential place in movie history, having brought the fantastical world of Middle-earth to life on the silver screen. Picture yourself standing at the edge of the marshes, a vast, dreamlike expanse where the boundaries of the living and the departed seem to coalesce in an otherworldly fog. This is a place where reality feels as unreliable as the marshy ground beneath your feet, a place where spectral figures appear to float just beneath the shifting surface of the water, their ghostly faces a chilling reminder of a long-forgotten battle. The Dead Marshes, as they were so appropriately named in The Lord of the Rings, as a crucial element of suspense in the epic saga, adding an unsettling aura to the adventurous journey of our cherished characters. Then, we have the Fangorn Forest, an intricate maze of towering trees, each one a living testament to the of time. These trees, some as ancient as the earth itself, stand tall and silent, their gnarled roots reaching deep into the fertile soil, their branches stretching out as though seeking companionship in their eternal solitude. In this primordial forest, one might just catch the soft murmurs of the trees, the almost audible sigh of leaves rustling in the ancient breeze. The weight of countless years hangs heavy in the air, as if these stoic sentinels have seen the world change and evolve, their silent wisdom echoing through the forest. Home to the Ents, the shepherds of the trees, Fangorn Forest emanates a sense of age-old magic and mystery that was palpable in the films. These locales, with their unique intermix of beauty and dread, added a layer of depth and authenticity to the fantastical world of Middle-earth. They helped to make the story more immersive and captivating, allowing viewers to feel as they were a part of the mystical journey. Leaving the mystic woods behind, we journey towards the grand finale. Finally, we arrive at the magnificent Southern Alps, which served as Edoras and Helm's Deep in the famed story. The elegance of these mountains is awe-inspiring. They emerge as if by magic, their sharp peaks reaching the heavens, their slopes covered in a dynamic mosaic of snow and stone. The Southern Alps embody the untamed radiance of Middle-earth, a flawless setting for the legendary battles and the tenacity of the Rohan people. Visualize the clash of swords resonating through the valleys, the booming roars of the Uruk-hai bouncing off the mountains, the gallant surge of the Rohan riders shaking the ground beneath their hooves. These silent mountains bear witness to the struggles and victories of heroes, their tales eternally ingrained in the crags and hollows of the Southern Alps. High upon the windswept plateaus of Edoras, the Rohan's capital, one can almost glimpse the golden hall of Meduseld, standing firm and solitary against the snow-topped mountains. The solitude of this city, elevated above the plains, magnifies its splendor, serving as a testament to the unyielding spirit of its inhabitants. Venturing deeper into the Southern Alps, Helm's Deep emerges, a fortress etched into the Earth's very core. The looming walls of this stronghold, embraced by the mountains, are a sight to behold. They symbolize the resilience of the Rohan people, their resolve to stand against the darkness, no matter the odds. The Southern Alps extend beyond mere mountains. They are characters, silent heroes shaping Middle-earth's tale. Their soaring peaks, their broad open valleys, their silent unyielding strength perfectly encapsulates the epic scope of battles and the resilience of the Rohan people. And with that, we conclude our journey through the magical landscapes of Middle-earth. As we conclude our journey, let's take a moment to reflect on the magic of Middle-earth, brought to life in the breathtaking landscapes of New Zealand. From the enchanting Hobbiton to the rugged beauty of Fiordland National Park, we've traced the footsteps of hobbits, elves and brave men across this diverse land. Our adventure started in the idyllic Shire, the home of the hobbits, nestled in the heart of New Zealand's lush countryside. We then ventured to the towering peaks of Mount Doom within the untamed wilderness of Tongariro National Park. We navigated the eerie Dead Marshes and the ancient Fangorn Forest in the mystical Fiordland National Park. And finally, we ascended the majestic Southern Alps, the backdrop for the steadfast Edoras and the formidable Helm's Deep. Each location, each mountain peak, each verdant valley has played a crucial role in bringing the fantastical world of Middle-earth to life. They have served as more than just settings. They were characters in their own right, shaping the narrative and adding depth to the story. New Zealand's landscapes have immortalized Middle-earth in our hearts and minds. They have turned the imaginary into the tangible, the fantastical into the real. And they await you, inviting you to step into the world of Middle-earth, to experience the magic firsthand. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the cinematic landscapes of New Zealand. Until next time, keep exploring, keep discovering, and continue to lose yourself in the magic of Middle-earth. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more such enchanting journeys. Farewell, explorers, until our paths cross again in another captivating adventure.